A model just watched a 10-hour video, found the 1 second that mattered, and ignored 96% of everything else. On purpose. And it still beat the model that looked at all of it. That should be impossible. Here is the trick. Video is brutal for AI. A few minutes becomes a wall of tokens, and standard attention compares every token with every other. The cost grows with the square of the length, and it explodes. So models cheat. They throw most of it away, sampling 1 frame a second. But blink, and you miss the goal. That is the trap. Drown in cost, or miss the moment. Unless you could keep every frame, and only look at the few that matter. Think how a TV director covers a match. Dozens of cameras, but only a few on screen at once. They use 3 kinds of shot. A wide view for the flow. Cuts to the key cameras, the ball, the keeper, in full detail. And instant replay, for the moment just gone. A switcher blends them, and shifts the mix as the play changes. Every camera keeps rolling. Only a few are ever live. That is the whole idea. Look through 3 lenses, and learn which to trust, moment to moment. That director is VideoNSA. The video becomes blocks of tokens, and for every query, 3 branches go to work. Compression skims everything into a coarse summary. Selection grabs the few most important blocks. Info. A sliding window covers the most recent. And here is what matters. It never throws anything away. A detective who shreds his files to save space cannot answer the hard question later. This keeps every token, and just chooses what to read. A small, learned gateways the 3 and answers. Vision gets the 3 lenses. Text keeps full, dense attention. But why is this better than the older shortcuts? Those use a fixed pattern, the same mask for every video. When the action moves, the mask misses it. This one learns the mask, and reshapes it to follow what matters. And it comes with a strange bonus. In a normal transformer, the first few tokens hog a huge share of attention, for no real reason. A well-known glitch called an attention sink. Because this model learns where to look, those sinks almost vanish. It fixes a bug, for free. So, the payoff. Reading everything costs the square of the length. This stays nearly flat, because it only ever reads a handful. And that impossible claim, here it is. It trained on short clips, 36,000 tokens. At test time, it runs nearly 4 times longer, 128,000, and gets better, not worse. All while using about 3.6% of the full attention. Less work than almost any rival, and stronger results. That is how you watch a 10-hour video, and only look at what matters. The lesson here is bigger than one model. Don't shrink the data, learn where to look. And maybe that is not only true for video. A system that understands more by looking at less. So here is a thought to leave you with. How much of intelligence is just knowing what to ignore?